May pagkakataon ba na gusto mong mag-sorry pero part of you refuses to? Para bang sinasabi mo, tama naman ako eh. You know what? Maybe you're right. Pero here's the thing na hindi natin palaging naiisip. Apology is not a score sheet. Hindi siya ipinapasa o ibinibigay sa isang referee na magde-decide kung sino ang panalo. Saying sorry is actually a choice. A conscious one. Para bang sinasabi mo na, this person matters to me more than being right. And honestly, that takes more strength than staying quiet and waiting for the other person to crack first. Kaya next time na may argument kayo ng kaibigan mo, ng partner mo, ng kapatid, ng kasamahan sa trabaho, tanungin mo lang ang sarili mo, am I holding on to this because I'm right or because I don't want to lose? Kung mahal mo o pinahahalagahan mo yung tao, alam mo na ang sagot. Maaaring talo ka sa argument, pero panalo ka naman sa relasyon. And that's the real win. Ayos?